Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I want to share with you how I made these cute leopard print like neon coral and grey press-on nails. Of course you can always make these on your own natural nails or extended nails such as acrylics or gel extensions, but if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So I am going to do press-on nails today because I already was wearing two completely different designs on my own nails, which will also be uploaded in a video later on. So I'm just going to grab my little stand and start off with 5 almond shaped nails. I am going in for the thumb and the ring finger with Lady Grey, and all of the gel polish used in this video today are by Pink Gellac. They sent me their latest collection and I just, as I said in my previous video in which I unboxed and swatched these colors, I really couldn't wait to make like a cute design with these. So I'm just going to apply 2 layers of that light gray color to the thumb and the ring finger and just cure every single layer for a full minute in LED. If you do have a UV light, you can also use these gel polishes. Just make sure to cure them for 2 full minutes. Then I'm going in with a beautiful like neon coral color, which is called Sunset Orange. It comes across on camera a little lighter and more dull than it is in real life. So in real life it's more of like a neon coral shade, but still towards like the pastel neon coral, if you know what I mean. It is really hard to describe, but I feel like this color is so springy, summery. I just really wanted to use it in combination with the gray. The gray mutes the design down a little bit, so I feel like this is really wearable for everyone. If you don't want like the full-on neon color, so I was stumbling. You could also choose to do 3 gray nails instead of 3 neon coral ones, but just switch it up to whatever color setting you like it to be. So I just applied 2 layers of each color, cured it for a full minute, and we're starting off with the thumb as usual. So I just wanted to get some of that neon orangey coral on a little tile. I always use like a standard ceramic tile as a little like dish or palette to put some of the colors on. That's just really easy for me personally, and I am going in with a dotting tool and just applying some random dots, and just not really like dots, they're not like perfectly circular, but just blob some color on there. Because we are going to do a leopard print, we need some like pretty neon coral dots to later on go on with some black. So you just want to place them as big or as small and as many or as little as you want to. There are no rules to this. I just really wanted to do a full-on leopard print nail for at least the gray nails. You will see a little bit later on in this video when I go in to the coral colored nails that I'm going to switch that up a little bit. Then I just wanted to outline them with like little like stripes or C curved stripes with black. This one is beautiful black, which is from Pink Gellac as well. This one still has like the old packaging. They just switched up their look and packaging and all that jazz, as I also mentioned in my previous video. I really like the way they look, but I don't dislike the old packaging either. It's just personal preference, I think, or personal taste. So the beautiful black, I'm just going to outline those neon blobs a little bit. You don't want to outline them perfectly, you want to leave some spots bare, so you really get like that really random leopard print design. And if you are just a starting nail artist or just doing this for fun and you don't have a dotting tool with like a bigger and a slightly smaller dot at the end, you could also use a toothpick or even like a safety pin or anything like that. That works perfectly fine as well. Of course, you can also go in with like nail art brushes if you prefer that. It is totally up to you how you want to make this design. I just really love working with dotting tools because you can do so much much nail art with them. It is insane. So if you are like new to nail art or doing nails, whether it's for fun or on clients or anything like that, do invest on like a small set of dotting tools. You can get them for like less than $1 at AliExpress or eBay or even on Wish. I'm not a big fan of Wish for some reason. I feel like that like entire site is just it is too all over the place. It is not for me. I don't know why. I don't know, I'm triggered. But I have outlined my little neon blobs, and I just added a couple more of random dots throughout like some of the bare spaces I have left. So I just cured that for a full minute as well, and now I'm going in with their non-wipe top coat. This is like the ultra shine one, but you don't have to get rid of a sticky layer afterwards, because this one is completely perfectly non-sticky and completely cured after you put it in LED for a full minute. So that is the thumb already. Let's just continue with the pointer finger. So I decided to do like a reversed leopard print on the neon nails. So I'm just blobbing on some of that lady gray on my little palette or like my tile, and I wanted to do a little bit onto the sides with the print. So I didn't apply dots all over the nail. I just kept it towards one side, more around the cuticle area, as well as one of the side walls. So I just cured that for a full minute, and now I'm going in with the black again, outlining some parts of those little gray blobs, as well as adding some little dots. Something I'm really curious about, and this is just a random question in between this tutorial, is how do you feel about leopard print or like animal print? As far as that goes, I really like it, but there's also like a huge amount of people who find it really tacky, or I don't know. I personally love it because I think it's just really cute, especially like leopard prints and stuff like that. I'm not really into zebra or tiger. I don't know why. I just really like this because you can really switch it up with colors and change up the center color of the little like printy dots thingies. So yeah, do let me know what you think about this particular design, or at least print, if you even are into animal print. I don't know, some people just really dislike it and I don't know why. But personally I really like it. But do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. So after you have cured all of your black dots and lines and so on, you want to go in with your top coat and cure that as well. Then it is time for the middle finger, and for the middle finger I wanted to do something different. Like almost every nail in this set is different, but I wanted to do like a little gray heart, like a heart-shaped leopard print, if you know what I mean. You will see when I'm done with this fingernail what I tried to do, but I just wanted to do like a cute little gray heart. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to outline it a little bit with that black afterwards anyway. Something I did see online like a couple of years ago was like a leopard print with like heart-shaped little spots, like only heart-shaped little spots, which was really cute. But I just took a little bit of inspiration from that and made one bigger heart. I think it was done by gelpolish, if I'm correct, but I'm really not sure. I've seen it like a couple of years ago and I just really liked the way it looked, so this is just my little spin on that one for this particular middle fingernail. So I just outlined it a little bit with the black. I didn't want to outline too much because I felt like I was losing the shape a little bit, but I just added a couple of black dots surrounding it just to make sure that not the entire nail would be covered in like spots. I just wanted to keep it a little bit more away from the tip and away from the cuticle area, so it's really centered. And then again, while you're adding the dots, you don't have to be precise like circular with that. Just go with the flow and apply your black dots the way you want them. Then after everything is cured, I'm going in with my top coat again and curing that for a full minute as well. I just really love this color combination, by the way. I'm really excited. I also really like the fact that both of these colors came from the same collection. As I mentioned in my previous video, while I was swatching the new colors and just trying them out for the first time, I felt like it really needed like a neon yellow or more of like a pastel yellow color. That would look really cute with this design as well, or just throw in some green or anything like that. So yeah, I really like my neon pastel-y shades, and I think it just looks really cute with this gray. For the ring finger, we're going to do the same thing like we did for the thumb, so just apply the neon or pastel neon coral color, blobbing it on there, as many or as little as you want to, and again as big or as small as you want to. I like to apply a couple of bigger ones and then just some smaller ones, and after that I cured that for a full minute and going in with the beautiful black color just to outline them a little bit. I would say if you've never done a leopard print before, just blob on some colors like circular or whatever shape you want to, and just remind yourself not to outline them completely. Just leave a little bit bare, and if you really want like a classic look, just apply little C-shaped little lines, like outlining the neon blobs you just applied or whatever color you just applied. Sometimes it can be a little bit scary to do something for a first time, especially when it comes to like nail art with gel polishes, but on the other hand, you could easily remove your mistakes if you haven't cured your gel polish yet. So if you did make a mistake, don't worry, just grab some rubbing alcohol and just remove the mistake you made and apply it once more, but better. Then after I have applied all of the black, like the random dots and the outlines, I just cured that for a full minute and went in with my top coat again and cured that for a full minute as well. And then it is already time to do the pinky nail, which is the final nail. Of course, you can switch it up. The different designs for each finger. I just did a similar kind of design for this pinky like I did on the index finger, but just mirrored it, so it is more towards the cuticle area and the right side of the side wall instead of the left side like I did on the index finger. So yeah, I am just going to apply my black again after I have cured my little gray blobs. I'm so in love with this design. It is just so cute, and I think a lot of people would like this too on their nails. Whether you have long or short nails, I think a lot of you will really like this because like the neon coral pastel-y color is just really in your face, but not too much, and the gray tones it down a bit. I just really like it. Again, you could do this on any length of nail. For this particular like press-on nail set, I actually chose to go with like an almond shape instead of a coffin or a square. Also, I feel like this shape is not for me personally. I think it looks beautiful on others, but an almond shape is just not for me. I'm more of like a square or squoval kind of girl. So yeah, I really hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just let me know in the comments down below and I will get right back to you. But like most importantly, what do you think about this design? How do you feel about the color combination? How do you feel about like animal prints in particular, like leopard prints? I'm just really in love with this design and I think it just looks so adorable. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video.